Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to dye my hair with box dye. I've never dyed my hair with box dye before. Anytime I've dyed my hair, I've always gone to a salon. I'm going to explain the reason why I'm doing this. So basically, I dyed my hair blonde. It was like a balayage, I guess you would call it. So this is what it looked like. And then a few months went by and it grew out and it looked like this. I kind of also got sick of the blonde. I wanted a change. I wanted to go back to like my roots, literally. I decided I want to go back to brunette. I didn't want to just cover up all of that work and money. So I went to the salon and I explained to them that I still wanted like light highlights throughout my hair, but like mostly darken up the roots again, like back to my normal root color. So they decided on using toner to achieve that look, and in all honesty, I loved how it came out once it was done. I'll put like a little video of me here of how it looked. It had like a really ashy, like it was brunette, but like it was very cool toned and it still had like the highlights, and I loved it. It was so pretty. But because it is toner, it washes out, so this isn't a permanent change to the hair. So after the first wash, it went back to this, and you could see like that blonde line across of my hair of like where my roots grew out. So I went back in again, I got it toned again. It came out even darker the second time, which I wasn't that upset about. I mean, I missed the first color that I originally had when I did it, but I knew if I had just done that again, it would have washed out like again anyway. I just had in my head like the darker I go, the more washes I have until it like fades away again. You know what I mean? Do you see where I'm getting at? I made sure to ask my stylist like the right way to keep the toner in as long as possible, and she suggested a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. So I went ahead and bought a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. After the first wash, I already noticed the toner fade out already, which is okay. I understand that's gonna happen. Like, they warned me before that this isn't a permanent change, and it was kind of frustrating, like, to pay money for something, to love it, and then for it to wash out. The fact that it just kept washing out, like, I don't have the money to get it retoned every few weeks. So I'm gonna be that stubborn girl that all stylists dislike, and I'm gonna go box dye my hair with permanent color. I'm just a 19-year-old teenage girl with not that much money, and I want to dye my hair. So now we're here. I went on vacation, I was in the sun, I was washing my hair every single day. I knew this toner wasn't gonna last. This is basically how it looks. So you can see like the color of my roots, and then this is where the blonde grew out. Like, look at that difference. Like, this is all bleached. I don't know, it's not doing it for me. Do you see where like I'm getting at? It's just not like it. I don't want warmth in my hair. I don't like an orangey yellowy tone in my hair. I love like the ashier cool tones in my hair. I don't know, it just works. It's just good, you know? My natural hair is light, like dirty brown color, I guess you would call it. I wouldn't really know exactly the correct term for it. So we're going to attempt to get the color up here on the rest of my head, because I want my whole head to be one whole color. We're gonna go to Sally's Beauty. We're gonna get the Ion brand of hair dye, because from all the videos that I've watched, that is one a lot of like stylists recommend if you're gonna be dyeing your hair at home. And then Angelina's also gonna help me. So we're gonna try to do this as good as we possibly can with the only knowledge that we have of this type of stuff. And I know there are risks to doing this, but I watched a few videos. I'm obviously not a professional, so don't take anything on this video seriously. But yeah, I'm actually, I don't know, I'm excited. Like, I'm kind of nervous, but like, how bad can it be? Like, I'm not bleaching my hair, just dyeing it. So I'm not gonna go and explain all of the things that I have learned by watching YouTube videos. I could maybe link them in the description of like the videos that I watched that explained how to like box dye your hair. So I'm not gonna explain it because I could be giving you the wrong information, but It's just what I heard from the videos, so I'm just gonna be following that. Give me a second. Hello. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We're gonna go to Sally's Beauty. We're gonna try and find the right color, I guess. I'm gonna try to get as close to the color of my roots as possible. I would say my hair is like, it's at a good state. It's not super damaged. So I don't think using the dye will damage it a lot either. I don't want this. I don't like this. I want it to go away. It's not ashy, it's very warm, and this is what we're gonna try to be getting rid of today because I am not a fan of it. I mean, I'm kind of nervous, but I'm kind of really excited. I know Angelina will do a good job. I trust her. So we're gonna try and see if we can fix that. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. This will be fun. We're shopping. Let me show them what we have so far. Down below, down below. This is what we got. Dark mushroom blonde. Look, that's what it looks like. That one. Look how much stuff they have. Do you put extra stuff in your hair?
What do you mean? Like in the thing?
I saw a YouTube video where they did after color treatment things.
Oh, I could have brought my conditioner.
I don't know, I just like, I'm already here. I want to make sure I'm getting everything. I don't know how this stuff works. Yeah, that one's pretty.
Oh look, this one's $189. There's cheaper ones here.
Let me see this.
The only difference is this thing.
Yeah.
We do fine with just this. So like
that one then.
How cheap.
Oh, these
Oh,
are
it's so
smaller.
tiny. There's this one, this one, this one.
I kind of like the black.
Okay. Oh. Yeah, this one's a $3.49 one.
Okay, so now I'll just get this one.
Get
It's
this
like
one.
3 cents more.
They're $1.89. Oh, because you want black. Oh my god, you're so annoying. See, because it's a different brand. This is Ion.
Oh. Is that it? They have like a good shower cap. I need a shower cap anyway. We got everything. Alright, let's go dye my hair mushroom. Guys, my hair's gonna be red and it's gonna have white polka dots in it. So I'm gonna turn it into a mushroom. Oh my god, dyeing my hair Mario Kart edition.
Oh, you're gonna be like Toad.
Oh, that'll be my new nickname. Living with Toad. Living with Toad. That's so funny. Okay, let's go. Bye. We're gonna attempt to fix her up as good as we possibly can. Wish me luck. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's go dye my hair. So I put oil, coconut oil. I don't know if it's gonna work or not because I don't have Vaseline, but I put it like all over here, my ears, and then like my neck area. I have this ugly shirt on. It's a bike on. All right, so we have Ion 10 volume developer, and then we got dark mushroom blonde permanent color.
2.10 ounces. I'm gonna do.
That's what it looks like. I'll put stuff in the description for the people that are interested. We have a comb. This is our setup. Towel on the chair. Towel on the floor. This lighting is so bad. Dude, look how white it looks on the camera. As we just came back from vacation, I promise you, we are orange. Here we go. Say goodbye.
Oh my god, why does it look like...
Stop, you're scaring me.
Why?
Let me see. Oh no, it's like a little bit more than halfway. Okay, she's adding in the dye.
I love the smell.
I don't smell it.
You don't smell it? It smells so good. It smells like hair dye.
We're starting, guys. Oh, I'm so scared.
I'm also scared. But it's okay because it can't even go like that wrong if you didn't know it. Okay, are you ready?
Ready. I'm gonna look at back of the video and be like,
there's no going back now.
I could see you as a hairstylist.
I wanted to, but it doesn't really pay that well and it's like hard. What if Brad Mondo watches our video?
Who's that?
He's like,
Oh, is he like, does he have like the blonde?
He's the blonde gay guy, yeah.
Yeah,
He's always judging people. And then like actual hairstylists are always like, I don't think you should listen to him.
Alright, we'll update you in a bit. Guys, this is the update. I look like I have glue in my head. It's been 34 minutes.
That's fine.
It's okay. The roots are all done, so now we're gonna work on the rest of la cabeza.
Finally.
That's all. Okay, bye. From here, like, I can't really see the camera that good. Like, it's kind of blurry, so like, I feel like I look like I just have curlers in my hair.
Yeah. Yeah,
like, it looks
I know what you're talking about. Sorry. I forget you're like an actual person. Like it just feels like a mannequin head. Oh, fucking bad. The things I'm doing. Oh my god, that scared me so bad.
Oh my god.
Please skip this.
Okay. I was thinking about it. Oh, and I'm so slouched. We're doing the final touches.
I'm getting like even your neck hairs.
That's fine. Go
The
crazy.
little.
Oh, and I'm so excited. I feel like, I don't know, I feel really good about the color. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm like scared but excited. That's so funny. I like how we're tracking our time with a Temu text message at 4:30. It's 5:57. So it's been an hour and 30 minutes. I mean, I could be completely wrong. I don't really know color theory. But like, I feel like because my skin...
What if you look like super like dark and disgusting?
I know, what if it just like washes me out completely? But I was like thinking in my head, I was like, my skin, like my undertone is very red, a purpley red. My lips, when I get cold, it's like purple. I feel like I hope this will help like make my skin look like, because I feel like sometimes when it's all warm, it doesn't look good. I feel like it has to be opposite to like pop. I could be completely wrong though. Maybe the coolness of my hair will make like the warmth of my body stand out more. This is definitely not good for our lungs. It's okay. They're used to it. Yeah, that one would have been harder because they've been like falling off. Babies! Yay. Hey guys, update. This is what I look like. We put a timer for 20 minutes and there's like, what, 3 minutes left? How many minutes are left?
2 minutes and 15 seconds.
And then we're gonna hop in the shower, wash this off, dry her up, and show you the results. So excited. Oh my god! Okay guys, it's post shower. I'm shaking because the roots are scaring me. They look a lot lighter than I thought they were gonna be. It has like a weird tint to it. I don't know, we're gonna dry it and see what happens, but I'm terrified. Alrighty people, this is how it came out. Angelina did a beautiful job. Is it giving mushroom vibes? Oh my god. It's like, does it look good?
Yeah, I think so. My god, hair is so annoying because like it looks like gold in one angle and then I put it down and it's brown. You know
right? I don't know why it does that.
Yeah, because your hair was already like lightened. Do you know what I mean?
Like look at this strand here, but like it looks pretty. Yay!
Oh, let's go. I'm hungry.
Okay. Alright you guys, so here is a side-by-side of the before and after. So I'm really happy with how the color came out and I think we did a pretty good job for dyeing my hair at home and hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. This is going to be the end of the video. Thank you for coming along with me to dye my hair at home. I love how everything turned out and I think Angelina did a great job. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!